In a world that often feels divided, I'm profoundly grateful to be surrounded by a community that embodies love, hope, and unity. These three pillars are not just abstract concepts, they are the lifeblood that nourishes our relationships and strengthens our bonds. Each day, I'm reminded of their power and significance in shaping our shared journeys. Every day, I witness the power of connection in a myriad of forms. It's in the small gestures, kind words shared during a tough moment, a helping hand reaching out when the weight feels too heavy, or simply being present for one another in times of need. These seemingly simple acts are profound, yet they remind us we are never truly alone. Love is the foundation that holds us together. Serving as that superglue that binds our hearts and our minds and our souls. It's not just about feeling good, it's about lifting each other up and sharing our joys, comforting one another in sorrow, because love invites us to celebrate our differences, recognizing that these unique perspectives enrich our community and inspire our growth. Hope thrives in this nurturing environment. When we support one another, we create a safe haven where dreams can take root and flourish. Watch it in the babies. When you pour into them, watch them grow. Every encouragement we offer and every shared success becomes a beacon of possibility. We inspire each other to reach higher and push boundaries, reminding ourselves that limits are often self imposed. Hope is contagious, and in our community, it spreads like wildfire, igniting passion and determination in all who encounter it. And together, we envision a brighter future filled with opportunities and dreams waiting to be realized, and we take actionable steps to make that vision a reality. Unity is our greatest strength. When we stand together, we can overcome any challenge that life throws our way. It's about collaboration, understanding, and deep respect for one another. We may come from different backgrounds, cultures, and experiences, but it is precisely these unique differences that enrich our collective story. Our shared values bind us, creating a tapestry of human experience that both that is both vibrant and resilient. It's like that comfort that grandma built. That tapestry of love, history, unity, strength. And in unity, we find not only the strength, but also the courage to face adversity. We become a force of change and capable of moving mountains and making waves in the world around us. So continue to cultivate that supportive environment. Commit to spreading love in our words and actions, nurturing hope in our hearts, and embracing unity in everything we do. Let's be intentional in our efforts to create spaces where everyone feels valued and heard. Together, we can create a ripple effect that reaches far beyond our community, inspiring others to join us in this mission of love, hope, and unity. Remember, you are not alone. Each one of us plays a vital role in this beautiful tapestry, this comforter that we're building, that we're sewing together, this village that we are. With love, hope, and unity guiding us, we can achieve incredible things All we got to do is show up, keep lifting each other up, keep shining bright, keep forging that meaningful connection that elevates all of us, forging that fire deep inside, that consistency, consistency, consistency. Together we are unstoppable. My bad for yelling. We are unstoppable. Just gotta rise up, stand up, be the beacon of light, shine bright with your unapologetic positivity. You are beautiful. You are intelligent. Say it with me. I am beautiful. I am handsome. I am intelligent. I am uniquely equipped to conquer life. You are. Keep practicing. You got this. You got this. Love y'all. Hope this is a beautiful piece of inspiration and motivation for you. Tap in. We growing over here. Peace and victories.